Relationships become better when we tear down the walls that are dividing us and build bridges that bring us together. I'm a civil engineer, and this is what I can tell you about a bridge. All bridges have one thing in common. They can take you from where you are to where you want to go. In this video, you will discover that relationships are like bridges, and I will tell you how. So stay put and watch to the end. At the end of this video, I'll give you 2 practical ways you can apply right away to further strengthen your relationships and start to experience success, or experience more success if you're already experiencing success. So keep watching. So as a civil engineer that I am, I know that 1, bridges take effort and a lot of resources to build. Bridges bring people together, and bridges make life better. On the other hand, we have walls. All walls have one thing in common. They separate us from others. The question you must ask yourself every blessed day, every morning is, am I building walls or bridges? Walls separate us. Bridges bring us together. People can usually trace their successes and failures in life to the relationships in their lives. Building bridges to others and for others is one way you can use to have a good relationship with others. I have many successes in my life today thanks to the bridges I built for myself and for others. And today, it's not like everything was all that sexy. I encountered failures, many of them too, and I learned a lot from my failures. And that is the reason I'm making this video, just for you today, to share with you the lessons I've learned from my failures, which could help you start to succeed if you are not yet experiencing success, or they could help you to succeed more if you're already experiencing success. I've just so many lessons I've learned, and because I don't want to make this video very long, I will share with you only two tips you can apply right away. As I earlier promised, this is the time I'm sharing. This is the time for you to write them down. Number 1, I have learned that people are insecure. Insecurity is that feeling of not being good enough and uncertain. The truth is that everyone deals with this insecurity thing from time to time. You cannot boast. You cannot boast that you've never had. All of us, we do. And it can appear in all areas of life and come from a variety of causes. That is who we are. Knowing that this is how people are, how can you approach them? How can you solve that insecurity problem? How can you help them overcome that insecurity problem? Number 1, write it down. Give them confidence. Confidence. And this is what you can do to give them confidence. You can do this by laughing with them instead of laughing at them. You can encourage them. Give positive feedback instead of negative feedback. For example, My hairdo may not look very good in your eyes, but my outfit does. So you can actually choose to ignore the hairdo and rather compliment my outfit. You're trying not to, you're actually trying to be authentic. You don't want to say that, oh, your hairdo is nice, it's really beautiful. Meanwhile, deep down there, you know that it's not beautiful. No, it's not good. You really need to be authentic. You really need to be truthful in what you're saying, your compliments. So forget about what you've seen which is not okay, and rather look at something you admire and compliment that person for it. It is that simple, and we really have to be intentional about it. Being intentional is you know the results you want to get. You want to make that person feel better. So apply this tip today and you will see the difference. So before I move to tip number 2, if you're watching me from YouTube and you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, kindly hit that red subscribe button below. It's just right there below. And don't forget to turn on the notification button. If you're watching me from Facebook, kindly hit the like or follow button on your screen. If you're on TikTok, kindly hit the red plus sign on your screen. Don't forget to like and comment. Okay, tip number 2. I have learned that people are selfish. That's how we are. We are selfish. For example, if I'm having a pain on my finger and you walk up to me with your own pain on your toe, you're coming to complain to me that you're having a pain on your toe. It is very likely I will respond you by telling you I also have a pain on my finger. That is human nature, but we can control that. We can control it. And this is the trick here. Number 2, write it down. Speak to their needs first. Speak to their needs first. Using the example I just talked about, it will be great for me to respond by asking, what happened to your toe? Probably I'll be advising you it's good to see a doctor, giving you some kind of consoling words, and then after I can talk about my own pain. Before I'm talking about my pain, I've already talked about try to see into your own pain first. The fact that you speak to the needs of other people first doesn't mean that you don't have needs. The truth is that you do. You do. If you start to apply these 2 tips I've given you today, you will come back to testify about the walls that you have demolished and the bridges you have constructed. And I tell you, your relationship will be much more stronger with others. I will be bringing to you more practical tips on how you can tear down the walls that are separating you and others and start building bridges. All that will be in the upcoming videos, and I believe you will not want to miss out. For you not to miss out on any of these videos, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.